Night guard and grinding teeth. One treatment for grinding teeth temporarily could be a guard. So you could have something between your teeth, and it's quite easy to make. Usually the grinding underlying problem is usually the airway, not enough air coming in, and people grind at night. And then we have to do some other things like avoiding certain things like alcohol and caffeine because they make us grind more. Of course, reduced stress and anxiety, which again has to do with exercising and making sure you're breathing properly. Give yourself a massage, or you can get a face massage. Grinding, it's not fun, creates a lot of tension here, can give us tension headaches, and something can be done about it. Come follow us for more.